We literally been here all day and our hair's all wet and it's so hot in here because we're wearing clothes now. But we're gonna film some of the places so we have stuff. Anyway, tattoos tomorrow. I mean, Lauren's not getting a tattoo. But it's pretty fun here. Probably not worth how expensive it is. It's just like going in my pool in my backyard at home. But anyway, still fun nonetheless. I guess this place would be like really good for German people who like, or European people who don't have a beach. They're not used to this stuff. And we kind of have this in our backyard, so
yeah,
we're
kind of underwhelming
if you're Australian and you like kind of grow up.
Yeah, you're used to this.
Like whitewater world.
Yeah, or even just like going to the beach or like going in the pool.
Yeah.
Like it's basically just a pool here. They don't even have like a wave pool or anything. But it's still pretty cool.
We had an outing.
Yeah, there's flamingos.
Yeah.
So what else can I say? Anyways, we're pretty peckish, so we might go home, make stir fry, and yeah, tomorrow.
Oh, nothing's happening. Nothing. Just a normal
Nothing's
day.
happening tomorrow.
You know, just another day.
Just another day. We'll see.